Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by configuring controls so inputs feel natural. Remap light, heavy, dodge, and special. Once done, choose story or verses and set difficulty 1 to 5, then pick your character. Start the tutorial fight to practice movement, dash, jump, and block, and string a basic 3-hit light combo into a single heavy finisher. This gives you immediate, usable offense and defense. Make sure to test combos against a training dummy, so timing becomes instinctive before moving on. Once comfortable with basics, focus on systems that win fights. The breath gauge fuels enhanced attacks and short burst windows. Manage it, don't spam. Practice dodge timing to use invincibility frames and learn parry to create stagger openings. These change exchanges versus heavy-hitting foes. Invest upgrade points into passive boosts, special moves, and combo extensions to expand your toolkit. Also, rotate through 2 loadout skills so you can adapt to enemy patterns, and practice to finish runs reliably. Learn boss tells and colored cues so you can exploit stagger phases and safe punish windows. For co-op, communicate buffs and revive priorities. Sync your special moves for burst phases. When engaging a final boss, prioritize positioning and conserving breath gauge for critical counters. If you get stuck, lower the difficulty by 1 step, reassign controls to reduce input errors, and concentrate on a single upgrade path to maximize impact quickly. This troubleshooting tip often breaks repeated failure loops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.